So before going further, to add this our server domain controller in the ISE, we need to install the ISE, and we need to have the NTP server in our environment. So for that, what we will do, we will just try to activate the NTP server in this Windows machine. It is not recommended, but since we are doing the lab, so we can do it right now. So what we will do, we will open the registry editor. All right, we will open it with the administrator. All right, so what we will do, we will open the HK local machines. Okay, here we need to go to systems. Okay, and then you need to find here current control set, this one. Okay, just open it, and here are the tab of services. Okay, and then you need to find here W32 time. So you need to come down, since it is alphabetically, so it is very easy to find out. So here we will find out W32 time. All right, so I am not able to see W32 time. Okay, I find it out. Here it is. So in W32 time, there is I need to go, I need to go in the time provider. Okay, just open this, and here you can see the NTP server. Okay, so in our case, in the NTP server, this is the enable one. So if it is 0, that means this NTP server is off. In our case, it is already 1, so that means our NTP server is up. So this is step 1. Now what we need to do is we need to mark the server as a reliable time source. So what we will do, we will go to from the scratch, so you can easily can see that from where we need to do this one. So here we will go to the HK local machine. All right, and after that we have to go into the system here, and same in the system we need to go to the current control setting. Okay, in the system we have this current control set. Okay, and in this we need to go in the services, and there is W32 time, which we selected before. All right, come on. Okay, here it is. So in W32 time we have the folder of config. So what we need to do in the config, there will be a registry with the name of announce flags. So if it is not there, okay, yeah, here it is. So what we need to do, we need to set this value with the 5. All right, okay, and what we need to do now, open the services.msc or the services, and what we need to do is go to the Windows Windows time. Where is Windows time? Here it is, Windows time. Oops. And we need to restart this service. So with doing that, what we will do now, we will install our ISE, and in the installation we have to give the ISE the NTP server, and we will give the NTP server of IP of this server, so it will work as a NTP server. So for the verification, let's join into the next video, and where we will install the ISE and give the NTP server as our domain controller. Thank you for watching.